Hi guys. Today we'll understand the very important function of Google Sheet. This is why Google Sheet exists or has a USB over Excel. The basic function that we are trying to understand is from insert, we'll try to add comment on it. Now comment can be added with the keyboard shortcut key, Control Alt M. Same for note is Shift F2. If you go to the sheet, you can add comments or notes by right-clicking on the cell. So you can see the option of adding a comment or insert a note. Now, before we move ahead with how to add a comment or how to add a note, you need to understand the basic difference that is available in Google Sheet for comment and note. Yeah, both the options are similar. They are both text boxes you can attach to cell. Neither of them interferes with your spreadsheet or any of the operations of your spreadsheets. They both display the information when you hover over the cell in which the comment is available or the notes is available. You can copy both a note or a comment from one cell of a spreadsheet to another. So these are four similarities, but when you come to comment, there are few things additionally that you can do. That is tagging a team member in the comment. If I want to assign a task to other member in a comment and probably respond to the assigned task or the tag member replies to your comments. So as you see, the key difference between notes and comments is the ability to engage directly with others as a general rule. Therefore, it's best to use notes when working individually on a spreadsheet for personal reminders, while comments can be used to collaboratively move within a team or require an information to be flown between your team members back and forth. Yeah. So you understand when you'll use notes or when you use comments. So notes you will use mostly to keep yourself as a reminder on what you have done with that particular cell or particular column, and comments when you want to communicate between your teams. So let's dive quickly onto the comments and notes. How do we add them? So comment, as I said earlier, you go to insert, you click on comment, or you click or you have the shortcut key which is mentioned beside the option, that is Control Alt M. Yeah. So I'll try to add a comment from here. You can see the cell in which I'm trying to add the comment has got highlighted. Yeah. Now, how do I add a comment? So I said this is unit cost. Comment. So as I said, if you can hover over it and you'll be able to see the comment on that particular cell. So if I'm putting the same for multiple cells, I'll select the cells first, right click on it, or go to insert menu. Right now I'll do through right click, insert, I'll say comment. And I'll say this is unit cost. I'll say, yeah. Here you can see the unit cost being added to the cell in which it has been added. Now, suppose one of my colleague goes to the sheet, whom have assigned the sheet, he would be also able to see those comments. Yeah. And if he has some views on it, so what he'll do is he'll right click on it. See this? Right click or place his cursor on the relevant comment that he has, that I have added. And if he has any reply, or if he wants anything to be provided to me, or if he has any knowledge about this particular information, he can write back to me saying that, okay, this is not correct. And he will tag me. As I said, comment has the option to tag. So how do you tag that or provide information to the colleague is like add at the rate can analyze. That will give me my email. So I'm tagging it. Yeah, I can have multiple people being tagged over here. So whoever get tagged will get an email. So I'll say reply. Now you can see the chain of information has started building. Yeah, I'll just come out of it. You can see now I am able to see mine as well as the comment added by my colleague, Mr. Nilesh Desai. Yes. Apart from this, I also get an email. So if I refresh my email, comment would come. Yeah. So it has gone to my Gmail ID. I'm just checking it once again. Take a bit of time. In the meanwhile, by before the mail comes in, we'll check other options. So same way, again, I can respond to Nilesh Desai saying that, okay, I want to reply to this with an emoji. I'll say, great, I'll do that. Now, and see, the person who has written a comment is able to see mine. Yes. Now, the person who has written the comment has the option to edit it, delete it, and see emoji reactions details. Yes. It will show me the emoji reaction details since I have added an emoji. Same way, the person who has added his comment, he would be able to get his edit, delete emoji or get a link to this comment. Yeah. But he will not get an option to edit or delete the comment of the person who has reacted to his comment. So you see the comment added by Nilesh Desai, I cannot do anything on it. Yeah. Apart from see the emoji reaction, that's it. I cannot edit or delete it. Yes, I can edit or delete my comments only. Yes. So if I want to delete a comment, how do I delete? So I click on the comment, right click on it. Yeah. It will give me my actions. Yes. Just 1 minute. So I right click on the cell in which the comment is available. Yeah. And you can delete the comment. So here I delete the comment. I'll say delete. So you see the one of the comment is gone. I'll again show you how to delete a comment. So I add a comment first. So I say insert comment. Now I say comment. Go back to the comment. Click on the cell in which the comment is available. Click on the three dots which are available here and I can delete the comment. I can edit my existing comment by going back to the cell, click on the three dots and you can edit your existing comment. And I say save. Yes. Pretty cool. Nice way to collaborate with your team members so that they can see what is happening on the cell or any kind of value that is available. Yes. If I want to see if there is a long list of comments, you can say open all comments and it will open the comments in the right hand section where you'll see all the comments one by one listed by the latest one. So the oldest one till the latest one. It also shows you the reference at which the comment has been added. Now let's quickly jump on to notes. Now notes, how do you add them? I go to insert, you click on note or press from keyboard shift F2. So I click on note, so you can see the difference. This is total sales figures. Yeah. Now as you see, comment has an orange arrow on the right upper hand corner of the cell. This is orange. I'll just make it a little bigger so they can view. You can see this is an orange arrow. While when you add a node, it comes with a black arrow. Yeah, that is a different one of the difference between adding up nodes and comment. As I told earlier, nodes do not have the option to tag your team member or do a reply or comment on your team members where he can reply back, where comment is an option where your team members can reply whomever you have tagged with or whomever you have shared the Google Sheet with. Once you add the notes, you can see the other members can also see it just hovering the mouse pointer over it. Yeah. So these are the common functionalities between your comment and notes where just hovering your mouse pointer over the cell, you'll be able to see the notes or comments. Yes. You can delete the notes by right clicking on it and say delete notes. You can see right now there is a note available here. I right click it and delete the note. So guys, the email has come in. So you can see since we have tagged I scan analyze, he has got an email. So I have got an email as soon as my colleague tags me for a particular comment. If you do not tag it, the comment would be shown in the comments history. The comments history can also be accessed on the right hand upper hand corner where you can see open comment history and you will get the list of comments. From here you can reply as well. Yes. So this comes very handy in communication where you want to inform your colleague and you want to share information between us. Now from the email itself, since it's Google product, you can from email either you can open it or you can resolve this particular comment. We'll check how to resolve a comment, but you can do it from the email itself. Yeah. Now, suppose I feel that this particular task is over, do not need to show it again. Yeah. So I'll just click on it and there's a tick mark which is available to mark this particular task resolved and hide from the discussion if my discussion has got over. So I'll just click on that resolve option and you can see in the comment history, this has been marked as resolved. So I have marked it as resolved after the comment that I have received from my. Now, if I add any more comment, this will again open this entire discussion. So you can see the comment has gone, which was already available in a particular cell in which I've resolved. So if I try to open it again, I say I want for the discussion on it, and I tag my colleague that was Nilesh Desai. And I say reply. You have you can see the comment has started appearing again. Now my colleague also see this. Same is available in the comment history. Again, I can mark it resolved from here itself. I'll say resolved and the comment is gone. You won't be able to see it. If I want to see the resolved comments, I'll just click on resolve. I'll be able to see the resolved comments on all sheets or for a particular sheet that I'm working on. So I can see comments on all sheet or for a particular sheet only. Yeah. For an example, if I add a sheet and add a comment here, create comment, hi, I see comment, yes, you can see sheet 13 has a comment. I'll say all comments. So sheet 13 has a comment in E19 cell, which is the reference. So I can see all the comments which are available. I click on it, it will take me to that particular cell in which the case comment is available. But I can see all the comments. Now, if I want to see the comment only for sheet 13, so I'll just click here and say current sheet if I am on sheet 13. So if I want to see the comments only for the current sheet in which I am working, I'll say current sheet. So it will show me only the one comment which is available in that sheet. Whereas if I want to see it for all sheets, I'll just click it that way and I'll be able to see all the comments on other sheets as well. So this is how you communicate and this is how you resolve your comments and check on your comments when it comes to your email. So guys, this is how the comments and notes work in Google Sheet. And this comes very, very handy when you're trying to collaborate or work together on a sheet along with your team member so that they can parallelly access the information or there is a smooth flow of information between your teams. Yeah, thank you so much.